Okay, so hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Google Anti-Gravity. So what is this Google Anti-Gravity? It is basically a agentic AI tool. And what is IDE? What is agentic AI tool? How does it work? What like how to download it? How to install it? What are the steps? We will see step by step. Okay, so this is a agentic AI tool. It is recently very popular among the developers because it is what see Google is saying about it. Google Anti-Gravity is our agentic development platform involving the IDE into the agent first era. Okay, so it is very similar to the VS Code. If you have worked before on VS Code, so you will see the similar interface of it. Okay, but the power of this IDE is it can write automatic code for you. It is similar to the cursor AI, a cursor AI if you have used before, but that is provide features at some limitation, but it provide most of the free things to build the code. But let's try to understand the basic things before downloading the Google Agent anti-gravity, right? So let's talk about what are the popular IDEs. Okay, so what are the popular IDEs? Like, have you heard about Visual Studio Code? In short, we call it VS Code. Okay, so who has built this particular VS Code? So it is built by the Microsoft. Okay, there is a one more IDE. What is IDE basically? IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. Okay, so these are the popular IDEs which allow us to develop the code. Like IntelliJ is there, Eclipse is there, NetBeans is there. Okay, and Xcode is there. It is developed by Apple. Okay, Android is there. Android Studio basically for creating the Android application. So it is created by Google. Then Sublime Text, it is one of the IDE. Okay, so Sublime HQ has created this. Then Atom is there. Atom is created by GitHub. WebStorm is there. This is the product of JetBrains, right? So what are the popular agentic AI IDs? Agentic AI IDs means here you don't need to write the code. You can also write the code, but agent will write code for you. It will create end-to-end application for you. Okay, like so for example, popular agentic AIs examples are like Cursor AI is there, GitHub Copilot workspace is there, okay, Clouds code is there, okay, and Source Graph AMP is there, Replit agent is there. So these all are the popular agentic AI IDEs. Okay, so IDEs are simple, which is used to create the code, develop the code, debug the code. Okay, and it provides the support of extension as well. But agentic AI IDEs, it will work for you like an agent. Okay, you have to give the prompt to them and they will work automatically for you. They will plan the code, they will plan the workflow, they will develop the code, they will test the code, they will they will run the code as well. Okay, now let's talk about what is anti-gravity IDE. Okay, so if you talk about anti-gravity IDE and full form of it, anti-gravity IDE means integrated development environment, right? Meaning, what's the meaning? A conceptual IDE designed for ultra advanced fully automated software generation. Okay, what's the purpose of it? To drastically reduce the developer workload by auto-generating complete projects. Okay, so it will automatically generate the projects. Okay, so developer involvement will be very less. Okay, what their agenda? So their agenda is to drastically reduce the developer workload. Developers' effort they want to reduce. The purpose of anti-gravity IDE means they want to reduce the developer efforts. Okay, so they want to create the automation. What are the key highlight? Demonstrates the future of autonomous software development and AI driven engineering workflow, right? And let's talk about IDE. Basically, what is IDE? IDE is a software used for coding and project development. Okay, full form of it we already discussed about it. So this is what integrated development environment, right? Meaning of it, what's the meaning? So coding environment, it is for, it create what coding environment where you can run the code, where you can create the code, where you can test the code, okay, like that. And examples, we have seen a lot of examples, but popular examples are VS Code and PyCharm. Organization, so VS Code built by the Microsoft and PyCharm built by Net JetBrains, right? Why we use IDE? For writing the code, for testing the code, for debugging the code, okay, removing the bugs from the code. It helpful. Agentic AI IDEs. So AI that plans, writes code automatically. Agentic AI which can plan the code, but normal IDE cannot plan your code. Okay, it will ask your efforts. Okay, when we are talk about IDE, so developer will do all the efforts. When we talk about agentic AI IDEs, means developers will do less effort, but IDE itself will do the things automatically. AI that plans, write code automatically. Okay, examples of agentic AI IDEs like GitHub Copilot, okay, workspace, or we can say cursor AI. These are the popular agentic AI IDEs. Organizations, so we can say GitHub created by GitHub Copilot, and cursor AI Inc created by the cursor AI created by this company. Why? To build features faster with AI agents, okay, so that when we are working on the project, so we can make our workflow fast. Okay, so that is why we use agentic AI. We will explore the power of anti-gravity IDE by creating some project automatically. So have a patience, we will do a lot of things in this session. Okay, so anti-gravity IDE is what? Meaning concept IDE with extreme automation. It provide extreme automation. In future they will add a lot of features into it for the automation. Okay, so but whatever the recent features are there, we will try to explore. IDE versus agentic AI IDE. What does it mean? IDE normally is what? User writes the code, not users, what developer write the code. Okay, because user don't know, but developer knows. So developer writes code. And agentic AI IDE, agentic AI IDE is what? AI write the codes. Okay, agentic AI means AI write code for you. IDE means developers write the code for the company. Okay, so that is why you may see the layoffs from the companies. Okay, because earlier developer used to do all the efforts, like they need to hire 100 developers for a particular project. Nowadays company, what they are doing, they are hiring 10 developers and 10 and AI agents. Okay, because they did automations with AI agents, so they need less developer efforts. Okay, so that is why layoffs are there in the companies. That is why it's a good time to learn the data science or full stack data science or this agentic AI and generative AI tools, right? All right. Okay, next what we have to see, let's discuss more about this agentic AI, and let's see the installation steps. So how to install it? So first of all, we will download, go to the official anti-gravity IDE page. So what you will type, if you will write antigravity.google, you will land to this page. Okay, so what we have to write, just write here anti-gravity IDE. Okay, so here can you see the website? What's the website name? Antigravity.google. Just click on this link. Okay, the moment you will click on this link, you will see this interface. Okay, you can explore this entire interface. Okay, and apart from this, they also launched their installation guide. You can follow this guide as well. Okay, so here you can see introduction, installation, the steps. Okay, so many things, but I will tell you the installation, don't worry about it. So first of all, what I need to do, we need to download it. If you have Windows operating system, it will display here Windows download for Windows. Otherwise, it will display download for Mac OS like that based on your operating system. So let me just click here. Okay, download Google Anti-Gravity for Windows. Okay, so it is asking what you want to download. So if you can see here, installation guide. Okay, so okay, this is the installation guide. No worries. We can go with this download for 64-bit. Just click over it. Okay. So let's just download it. Anti-gravity. Okay, I'm downloading it on desktop. So it will take some time to download. Okay. So after that, after downloading it, what we have to do, we have to install it. Run the setup file and click next and finish. Okay, it will be download. You will see this screen. When you will install, you will see welcome to anti-gravity. Let's get you set up. So we have to click on the next. Okay, then it will ask you which agent you want to select. How do you want to use the anti-gravity agent? So we will select the recommended one, okay, which is agent assisted develop, development. Then we will click on next, right? So this is how it will install in our system. Okay, it is still downloading. And then what we will do, we will write some prompts, like we will write prompt generate a complete quiz app with timer, scoreboard and admin panel. Okay, we will try to create this particular quiz app. And the second prompt we will give, create a modern portfolio website with project skill, contact form and administration, right? So earlier we used to write HTML, CSS and something like JavaScript and React to build such portfolio, but nowadays you can give the command to the agentic AI tools, they will do everything for you. Next is prompt 3 is what? Create a simple car racing game. We will see how we can build a car racing game, okay, where the player avoids obstacles using arrow keys. So we will try to build this as well. Then the fourth prompt is we will see generate a Tic-Tac-Toe web app with a smart AI opponent in JavaScript. Okay, so this prompt also we will write. We will write one more prompt which is build a Pong game in JavaScript with two pedals and a bouncing ball. So it will be very exciting to see. And in last, what we will do, we will create a full stack web application. Okay, so this full stack web application will be created by the prompt, and it will be created by the anti-gravity. Okay, so we will write the prompt. So agent will do for us. What prompt we will write? We will write this prompt: generate a complete e-learning platform for my YouTube full stack course with auto organized video modules, interactive quiz, student progress, dashboard, certificates, and fully responsive modern UI, everything ready to run. Okay, so these are the prompts we will write. So please wait, guys. Let me just first install it and I will share this document with you. Do not worry about it. Right. Okay, so it has downloaded. So what I will do, I will just click on open. This is .exe file, so it will execute in our operating system. Okay, so it is accepting the agreement. Just accept it. Now let's click on the next. Okay, so we will keep the default setting here. Okay, click on next. Create a desktop icon. Yes, I want to create. All right, and click on next. Then after that, again click on install. So it is being installed. Okay, so okay, you can go to the documentation of it if you want. Okay, this is the interface. Okay, what you can do, you can create a file here, you can write the prompt, start new conversation. Okay, we'll see. It's still installing. So from here you can select the model, right? Okay, you guys can follow the step along with me. Okay, just click on finish and it will launch automatically. Okay, so here you will see the first interface. It is asking permission. Do you want to allow public and private networks to access this app? Yes, we can trust over this app. We can say allow. Yes, now what it is asking? It is asking, let's get you set up. Just click on next. Here it is start asking start fresh, import from VS Code. So we'll click on start fresh. Now it is asking which theme you want. So I will take this dark mode. Just click on next and I will select this recommended one only. I'm not doing any changes. Click on next. Okay. Key bindings normal. It's okay. Okay. Now it is asking sign in with Google. So let me just sign in with Google. Then, okay, let me just sign in with Google. Then we will continue this. Okay, so once you done the sign up with Google, so you will see this interface. Okay, and here you will see your icon, like your profile icon, right? So what's the next? What we have to do next? We have to open a folder here. The interface is similar to the VS Code. If you have ever worked on VS Code, so you will see it is similar to the VS Code. And here you can see it is like here we can chat. Here we can give the prompt to build the projects. Okay, and here we have different models like Gemini 3, like Pro. This is very popular, and CloudJ and GPT. Okay, so these are the models we have, right? So what we have to do first, we will open the folder. So just click over here and just create the folder. Let me just right click and create. Click on new and create a folder. And I will write the folder name is Anti-Gravity. Okay, IDE folder. Okay, any name you can give, it doesn't matter. Okay, and double click on this and click on select folder. So the folder will open here. As you can see here, the folder has been opened. It is similar, exactly similar to the VS Code, right? Okay, so here you can see our folder opens. So whenever you want to create a file, you can click here. You can click create a folder by clicking here, but we will not do the manual task. We will ask model, I mean we will ask agentic tool to create this. Okay, anti-gravity IDE folder is here, and if I say here like hi, what the, okay, so let me see what answer it is giving. It is talk to you like a chat GPT. Okay, but it can build projects for you. Okay, so hello, I am doing well, thank you. I'm Anti-Gravity, your AI coding assistant. I'm ready to help you with any coding task you have, whether it is building a new web app, debugging an issue, or reflecting code, or just exploring a new idea. Okay, let's try to ask it to build a simple application. Okay, so let me write a simple Python code to print star pattern. Let's check whether it works or not. That's why I'm writing this simple prompt only, but we already have this many prompts to discuss. Okay, these prompts we will discuss, but before, in the beginning, let's try to see how does it work. So see, it is generating. Okay, so here is our folder. Right now nothing is there in our folder. Okay, so can you see it has created one file which is star pattern. Okay, now what it is saying, accept this code. So what I will do, I'll just click on accept and I will accept this code, right? And it is also displaying the output of our code here. So if you will run this code, okay, so can you see this output is coming automatically? So who written this code? Developer written the code or agent written the code? So this is the power of anti-gravity IDE with agentic AI. Right here, developer efforts are reducing. Okay, developers efforts are very less, right? That is why nowadays companies are not hiring so many developers because AI agents are there. Okay, so now let's try to do more. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, so I'll say yeah, it is good response, but let's work on this. Generate a complete quiz app with timers, scoreboard, and admin panel. Let's see what happened with, does it really work or not. So I'm just giving the prompt here and just click on send and it is generating. Okay, so it will generate in our folder only. Okay, so it is generating the text task.md file has created, implementation plan.md file it has created. Okay, see what it does. Quiz app development list. Okay, so what we have to do here, let's just scroll down. Okay, just dismiss it. Okay, so it is telling us the workflow. Okay, so what we have to do next. So okay, project setup and design. Okay, it is still thinking. Okay, so they have given us the plan. So first is project setup and design system, create project structure and all. Okay, all right. And see, they has created style.css file. So they are like this agent is working according to this flow. Okay, they have given us a flow, and based on this flow, they it is writing the code. Okay, creating project files index.html. So index.html has created. Okay, so you can see here is the index.html file. It is asking to accept the changes. Okay, accepting style.css, just accept this as well. Okay, now implementing data persistence. Okay, so still it is in working mode. Okay. Now, do you want to allow public and private network to access this app? Yes. Okay. Now it is running locally. This is also running our code. Okay. So just wait. It is generating. Okay. Let me just accept this. Let me just accept this as well. Okay, so everything is automation. As a developer, you should know, you should have understanding what it is returning. Okay, what it is generating actually. On the top of that, you can customize it more. Okay, so it has JavaScript file, then another JavaScript file is there, HTML file is there. Okay, so still it is working. Okay, it has implementation plan as well. Okay, task is also there. So still it is working. Anti-gravity, would you like to use the browser? Yes, click on setup. Okay, right now I don't want to install the extension. Okay, so I think we need to install the browser extension. Let's just add to the Chrome. Okay, add extension. Okay, so see, it has created our quiz app. Can you see it? What's the how nice interface it is? And the admin button is there, lead board is there, and it is locally. It has created locally. So can we start the quiz? So click on start quiz, and it is asked. It has timer as well. There are three questions are there. What does HTML stand for? So we have to give the correct answer of this. So hypertext markup language, just click over it. Okay, so is it clickable? Okay, so click which language runs in a web browser. So we can say JavaScript. Okay, so it has given the admin access as well. So they have created okay agent running control. Click on home, start quiz. So it has created a very nice application. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so admin is there, and it is also saying like we can enter admin 123 and click login. So we can copy it admin 123 and we can write here agent running control disable. Okay, agent is trying to write by itself. Okay, so we can delete or add the questions as well. It has given us the question functionality as well. But if you want agent to add more questions, so that is also you can do. You can do the manually as well. So this is the manual work, but agent can also do this. So it's really interesting actually. Okay, so let me just create a new folder. Okay, so let me just open a new folder by clicking on this open folder. And here what I will do in anti-gravity, here I will write another folder and I will write here prompt 2. Okay, so let me just open it. Now we will try with different prompt to write. For this, create a modern portfolio website with the skills and this and all. Okay, so let me just provide this prompt to the agent and let's see how it will create. modern portfolio website with project skills, contact from form and animations. Okay, so they has created the task. What task is doing? Okay, so what it will do? First of all, it will set up project setup, initialize white project, set up Tailwind CSS if approved. Okay, so accordingly it will work, right? So here is the task, and there is an implementation plan. Okay, implementation design system and global style, variables, typography, colors, header, navbar, hero section, skill section will be there, project section, contact form will be there. Okay, let me just accept it. Okay, let me just accept this as well. Okay, can you see here is the project setup? Automatically it is doing everything. Just we are writing the prompt and you can see the magic here. SRC folder is there. Here you can see main.js, style.css, everything is there. So it is how powerful it is. Okay, click on accept. Yes. Okay, package JSON, package log JSON, everything is there. Okay, if we assign this task to a developer, it will take time, like 1 hour or 2 hours to complete this task. But this AI agent can do it more faster than the than a developer. So that's why now the developers are on the risk, right? Why? Because AI agents can do the things, and this is the starting only. They are in the beginning stage, okay, and later on they will evolve more. Then they can do most of the things. But it is not like that developers will don't have means developer don't have any job in future. Definitely developer do have the job, but for the different domain. Okay, developer with AI. Okay, so nowadays companies are hiring AI developer, the person who know agentic generative AI like it, along with the coding skills, right? So let's just see. It's asking to accept the code. Let's just accept it. It's waiting actually. Okay, now again thinking, is there any acceptation required to approve? No. Writing style.css with design system and animation. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, it's looking very nice. Awesome. Okay, everything is there by default. It's really nice. Just accept this. .js style.css accepted. Okay, the only delay is I'm taking time to accept it because this is new for me as well. This is new for you as well. So the more we will explore, the more we will learn, right? That is the thing. What it is doing, confirming search engine optimization. It is doing search engine optimization as well, creating walkthrough and finalizing task. It is uh, checking whether all the things are done correctly or not. Okay, walk through the MD markdown file. Okay, so it has mentioned everything what it has done. Okay, so it also mentioned like how much space occupied by this particular file. Okay, and it is also saying the next step. Okay, so do we need to run it manually? Okay, just click on open. Okay, that is fine. Next step it is saying, but it should Okay, here we can write the command run the project. Okay, so now the project running on this particular local host address, and you can see here, see how nice it has created. Okay, you can later customize it, so you can see it's really nice front end, performance tools and responsive. Okay, feature projects, so whatever projects you have done you can showcase here. It's really nice. Okay, so let's talk. So here is the form. Okay, you can send the message. Okay, building digital experience that matters, creative developer UI UX. Okay, and view work. So here is the work, about section. Okay, skills, project. There is a project contact. So here is a contact. So more prompt you will write, it will do more customization for you, but it's creating really nice interface. Okay, and in very less time actually. Okay, so we have done with this. Let's try to go with this particular prompt, which is create a simple car racing game where two players avoid obstacles. Okay, it will be really interesting. Okay, so what I will do, let me just okay, let me just say server stop server. So I'm just talking to it and it is working for me. Means non-technical person can also develop the things nowadays, because it's all about writing the prompts, right? Okay, let me just open a new folder just after this. And it is very similar to the VS Code. So the interface is not much new anymore with developers, because we developers already know about it. So we can open the terminal, report the issue. Okay, I don't want to report an issue right now. Okay, so what I will do, I will just open a new folder, and here I will write here, uh, right click, open a folder, new folder. So the name is prompt 3. Okay, so just select this folder, and what I will do, I will just write here prompt. One moment, the agent is currently loading. So the agent is loading. Alright, so there are so many agents. Which one you like, which one you will prefer, you can work accordingly. Okay, so here I'm giving my prompt, create a simple car racing game where two players avoid obstacles using arrow keys. So again, first of all, what it will do, it will give us task. Will it give task? Let's see. Okay, task it has given. What are the tasks they are doing? Create simple car racing, playing, create implementation plan, user review of plan, set up project structure using HTML, CSS, implementation game, loop and rendering, implement player car movement, implement obstacle generation and movement, implement collision detection and game over state, add scoring system and verification manual testing of game machine, create workflow. So it is doing implementation play and also game. So it is the implementation plan. Okay, goal is what? Create a simple yet visual appearing car racing game where the players controls a car to avoid obstacles. The game will be built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Focus on a premium look and smooth gameplay. It's really nice. Note, I will, okay, let's just accept first. Let's accept the CSS. Let's accept this script. Okay, JavaScript and HTML also. Let's try to accept this as well. Okay, so creating project files, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. All right, that's really great. Walkthrough.md file. Okay, index.html in your browser. Click on Start Engine button. Then use the left right arrow keys to move cyan car. Okay, avoid the purple obstacle coming down the road. If you crash, the game ends. Click retry. Okay, it has given us guide as well how to play like. Okay, so done. Now start the game. Start the game. So we can run this file. Okay, but it will run this file for us. Thinking. Okay. Here also you can see the extension option. You can install the extensions, but right now it is working on our commands. I have launched a game for you and it's open by default in the web browser. Okay, let me just choose this. Okay, so it has created very nice interface. Let me just do the full screen. Click on Start Engine. Okay, so here is our car. So we have to skip this obstacle. So can you see how interesting it is? Okay, so this is a really nice car and the obstacles are coming and we are playing. So this is the power of agentic AI. This is the power of Google anti-gravity IDE, right? Yes. Okay. So you can see the score is also increasing. The scoreboard also there. And if you want to customize in future, you can do. I'm just telling you the basic utility. I'm just telling you the basic things only. Okay, so crest and our score is 310. You can retry it, but let me just stop it right now. Let's try to build something else. Something else. Okay, so for this, let's just stop it. Okay, where is the terminal? Okay, we don't. Here is the terminal. Okay, stop. Stop it. Okay, next prompt is what? Next prompt is generate a TikTok. Okay, so I'm not generating this. I will generate the fifth prompt and the fourth one you can try by yourself. Okay, I'll share this. So where I will share? So here I have a classroom link. Okay, so I have a classroom for data science course. So full stack data science with Jen, or like generative AI and agentic AI classes we have. So here is a class code. You can use this class code to join this. So in this class code, I mean in this classroom, I will share that notes. Okay, this notes. Okay, uh, about this is all about anti-gravity IDE. So let me just share this anti. What's the name? Anti-gravity IDE. Okay, notes. Solution. So here I can attach the notes. Let me just save it first. Okay. So save as text, save as markdown. Okay, so this is saving as .md file, not an issue. So let me just go to the FSD and here I'm writing anti gravity ID saved here. Okay. and let me just upload it here so that you guys can access it. So browse. Okay, so here is the file which you can access and you can practice by yourself. Let me just post it here. Okay, and here is the code. Here is the class code. With this class code, you can join this Google Classroom. This is what Google Classroom. You need to search here just Google Classroom and you can join this. Okay, all right. So now let's continue. So what's the prompt we have to write? We have to write this prompt, which is the last one. This is the last one, but we have the next prompt, which is for big application. So let me just open a folder first. Open folder. Okay, but before this, let me just close this. Okay. And here, let me write here prompt 5. Prompt 5. Okay, let me write here 5 like this. Select it. Okay, so new folder is selected. Now, just wait. Now, what I will do, I will write the prompt here. Let's ask how it is doing. Okay, how you? So, what it will say? I'm doing well. Thank you. I'm ready to help you. Okay, that's right. So, build a Pongo game and it will be interesting as well. Okay, there will be 2 pedals and one bouncing ball. Okay, so it will give us task first. So let me just see what task it will do. A task game. Okay, now the implementation plan is there. So index.html file containers for the game canvas, scoreboard display, instructions overlay. Okay, so let me just accept these codes. So accept this. You can press Alt plus Enter as well. Script also accept and style also accepted. All right. Now it will give us a markdown file. You can go through with the code. So game container is there. Okay, automatically link JavaScript. And in the JavaScript, you can see the code. Okay, it is asking to accept this code as well. Okay, so generative AI just generates the content, but agentic AI, what it do? It basically create project for you. It create the code and it make it in the form of execution. Now we can say start run the code and see the instructions. So it is starting index.html file. So okay, you can say like create the project in Next.js or React. So here you can see. So it works like that. Okay. So you can play this. Okay, so based on your cursor movement it will work. Let me just make it full screen. Okay, so yeah, so I don't have any score, so let not miss it. Can you see how fantastic work is it is doing? Where is the ball? Okay, here is the ball. Okay, so this is just an example. You guys can try it by yourself. Okay, so let's just try one more prompt. Okay, which is a very nice project, and this is the last one, then we will end the session. Okay, so what's the next prompt? The last prompt is generate a complete e-learning platform for my YouTube full stack course with auto-organized video modules, interactive quiz, student progress dashboard, certificates, and fully responsive, okay, modern UI, everything ready to run. Okay, so let me just copy this and let me just uh, open a folder here, and here I will write final prompt. Okay, so just select the folder. Okay, so agent is taking time to load the models. All right, so now we are in the AI era, right? So now here you can paste the prompt. The Okay, I've already created this prompt. Otherwise, you can think and you can write simultaneously. It's not mandatory. But these are the professional prompt. If you will write the professional prompt, then you will write the professional result. You can use the chat GPT to make the professional prompt, or you can use the Gemini as well to write the professional prompt. Then it will act more nicely. Otherwise, if you will do the spelling mistake, still it will work. It's not like that. But it's better to write the professional prompt. Okay, so it is thinking, developing e-commerce platform. Okay, it is e-commerce, sorry, e-learning. I'm sorry for that. So this is the e-learning platform. Okay, so what task it has to do? It is doing initializing. Okay, so React plus TypeScript. Okay, wait, and set up Tailwind CSS style, create project structure. Okay, core features implementation, video modules and course structures, interactive quiz, student progress dashboard, right? Certificates, UI UX polish. Okay, so many things are there. Except let's accept the commands. So it these are the commands to initialize the projects. Project initialization. Okay, npm create vite latest template. Okay, React JS. Okay, accept this command. Npm create React latest. Alright, so see, it has initialized the project in no time, right? Let me just accept these commands as well. Okay, in src CSS file is there, tsx file is there, TypeScript file, CSS file is there, TypeScript file is there. Okay, so you can see. So this is damn awesome. Okay, so it will take 60 seconds because it is executing the commands. Okay, so it can build the front end, it can build the back end as well, right? So waiting for the command completion, it will take 60 seconds. Waiting for command completion again. Npm found. 48 packages are looking for funding. Run npm fund for details. Okay, now the 5 seconds. So it's creating full project for us. Tell me. Okay, just accept this and accept this as well. Export or CSS, anything else to accept. Okay, initializing project with Vite and Tailwind CSS, installing dependencies and configuring Tailwind CSS, configuring Tailwind CSS and creating project structure, implementing data schema and progress context. Okay, so let it complete the task. Let's just accept the configurations. Accept. Nothing else to accept. Accept it. Nothing else. Sidebar. Okay. Yes. Implementing quiz component and dashboard. Nice. You have given the project description, quiz flow, course flow, certification, responsiveness. If you want to customize it more, so we can do that as well. Implementing certificate page and course layout, because see, this is a big project now, so that is why it is creating all the things for us. But make sure that you are accepting all the codes given by to this agent. Quiz.txt. Okay, so it will automatically detect the error, it will automatically fix the bugs, and everything it will do by itself only. The thing is, you have to sit, you have to click. You just need to click. It will check, it will do all the things by itself. If you will hire a developer for this task, it will take some time, but less time will taken by this particular agent. Okay, so it's doing all the things. It is not like basic. I think it is creating very advanced version of the website. Okay, so it is creating actually e-learning platform. Implementing data schema and progress context, implementing UI component sidebar. Okay, creating workflow and finalizing the project. So now it is now the time to finalize the project. Accept. Accept. So it will take a little bit time. So it is telling where to click. You can click on this. Okay, this panel is very helpful. Dashboard.txt here also accept. Accept. Next is what? This accept. Okay. All done. Desktop, I mean dashboard, accept. Okay, it is also doing the mistakes, but meanwhile it is configuring the mistakes. Okay, so now it has removed the bug. They accept this also. Okay, so all the bugs has been fixed. It only the warning is there. Okay, now the command, run command, just click on it and we are ready to see our project. Okay, npm run. So they have given, it has given npm run. Okay, so we will say start, run the project, run the project. So running the project. Okay, so it has given the localhost link and I think it will automatically launch it. It will launch automatically generating. That's fine, that's fine. Waiting for command completion, 5 seconds. Okay, so can you see how many files it has downloaded, created? Okay, so everything is there in public. Okay, just saying navigate to this. Okay, it has launched. Keep it. Okay, what happened? Okay, so let me just click on this. Okay, final prompt. Okay, yeah. Okay, so some error is there. Getting Tom. Okay, so it will do over. It will fix it automatically. Okay, so it will try to fix it as well. Sending terminal request to the command. Actually, it is not running. Prepaid. The problem, let's see. Error. Oh, this is the pending command. It is running. So I have reloaded the IDE again. Let's try to ask it to run it again. Because this is a complex project, so it may take time, no problem, buddy. Okay. So check the errors and bugs and run this project again. So let's see how much time it will take. Okay, it is trying to fixing the error. Asking to accept. Okay, get generating. One more thing is there. Accept it. In generating thinking. Get course progress. It's under development. It's saying to select an other model. Let's select this. Pick the issue and run the code. Script form. So this is known as bug fixing, and it is also testing or patience. Okay, normally it does not take this much time because of this project. It is taking time, but Google will improve it definitely more. Okay, but for the small project it's really nice, but for the large project, for the big project, it is not ready, little bit not ready yet. But anyhow, this is best because the interface is similar to the VS Code, and so this is, you can say, VS Code with, we can say, VS Code with ultra powers. So now it has finally resolved the issues and given us the project. And here you can see my learning dashboard. It is displaying. Okay, still it is generating, rendering, playback. Okay, it is still on, still working on it. Okay, so continue learning. Okay, so click on continue learning. Okay, so it has created this particular. Okay, but I want here to keep my channel, so let me just use here my YouTube. So search here my channel. So here is my channel, and I just want to keep this link. Or should I give my channel link? Or should I give the course link? Okay, let me just give the course link. Let me just course link. So here we have courses, and let me just open this course. Let me skip the ad, and let me just share this video. I just I just wanna use my YouTube content. Here is the link. The reloading page. I can see the full stack data science. Let me update the course data science. I like text the video ID and create a course structure. Okay, now it's working for me. Okay, I don't want to see others video. I want to see my video here. So yeah, it will take time. Okay, anyway, just wait for some time. Is it my course? I don't know what it is doing actually. So say data science. Okay, accept it. Okay, accept all. Okay, now let's see what it has done for me. Okay, so this does not belongs to my channel actually, this particular image. Okay, so it has given, yeah, nice. It is showing my YouTube channel now. Just click on here, and can you see? Okay, so still it is working on it. Okay. Taking a screenshot, see all the things done by the agent. Agent is doing everything for us. Okay. And let's just say uh, I'm just giving my channel link. So I will say here is my channel link, and it has uh, multiple courses including full stack, Python, front end, data, full stack data science, full stack data science with an AI and Agentic AI EDC course and playlist. Course and playlist. Okay. So if you need to ask anything specific, you may ask, but please create uh, create an awesome e-learning platform for my courses. Okay, I'll fetch your YouTube channel information and create comprehensive e-learning platform with all your courses. Let me gather the data first. Okay, it is gathering the data. See, everything is, we can say, automated. So we are in the world of AI where everything is possible. Always allow. Okay, so it is working for me right now. It has created this one, but I want to create something more for me. Okay, let's see what it will do. Always allow. Okay, I'm trying to allowing it, but why it is not allow once? Okay, waiting, it is waiting actually, but why it is not responding? Always allow. Still spend. Okay, try. Okay, always allow isn't clickable. Which browser it is? Just a moment, guys. Let me just stop it and let me just give this prompt once again. Not showing in the browser. What's the prompt I have written? I have written this prompt. Okay, I think we need to reload the IDE once again because reload the IDE. Okay, so here is my YouTube channel link. It has multiple courses and playlists. Please all the material for the e-learning platform or also. Okay, so this is a problem. Let me just go. So it is analyzing the data here. Let me try to access your YouTube. Okay, now it is giving the pop-up. It is accessing the. Okay, so this is accessing by Claude. I mean, this is accessing by anti-gravity, right? Agent running control. So agent is working on my YouTube channel, and what it is doing? It's creating readme.md. Okay, so it is analyzing, it is opening different tabs. Okay, it is taking screenshots as well. Nice. So it's doing everything. Nice, very nice. Now it's searching, and analyzing course page, dashboard. Perfect. I can see you already have a solid e-learning platform foundation. Now I need to understand what course and playlists you have on your YouTube and popular. Okay. Share a list of playlists. Describe the structure. Okay, okay, so it is asking to share me the playlist. So what I will do, I will share the course actually. The Django course. So this is the Django course link, description, and the functionality. You can write yourself. Okay, and let me give you other courses link as well. Okay, so let me just see what are the other links. Let me just close it. Close all the tabs. Okay, just open it. Okay. After Django, another course is what? Frontend. Let's give this. Copy the URL and give it to it. Frontend. And next is what? Next is JavaScript. JavaScript is there. Next is Python full stack, and this is the popular. This is the popular course. Let me just take the link of it. Okay, so let me just copy the link and give to the gravity. Send it. Perfect. Let me fetch the details from all your YouTube playlists and create amazing e-learning platforms with your actual course content. It's really URL content given in the video details. Let me try to use the accent. Okay, what it is asking now is opening the URLs. Okay, so the access goes to the agent. Agent is checking it, what it is doing, extracting DOM element. Okay, document object model. Error during the tool execution. Wait for 5 seconds. All right, not, not an issue, not a big deal. Error debugging the tools. Okay, again, open the browser. Browser is opening. Playback available. I'm experiencing browser access issue. YouTube lend me a different approach. I will use web search to gather information, your playlist, and create a comprehensive process structure based on the problem. Topics, areas, okay. Site, YouTube, analyzing, analyzing structure design, course organization. Let me create comprehensive plan. Okay, please do the comprehensive plan. No issue. You can do whatever you want. Can stop you. You are the AI. Okay, loading it. Generating. Working on it. Again generating. Editing implementation plan. Edit task. Okay, new implementation plan came. Does it created something new? Not yet. Okay, very enhance e-learning platform with YouTube course. Okay, import videos, IDs and placeholders. Course structure organized each course in logic modules. Okay. Python fundamental front-end, back-end, database integration, full stack. Okay, deployment. So there are 30 lessons. Certification course, complete a full course, generate certificate, verify certificate display, correct information, test, download functionality, visual. Okay, so this is the implementation plan. Let it implement. Okay, so let it just implement. So now it is taking more time. Now it's working. Okay, please do it fast, fast, fast. Do it fast. since it has created this one, and generative AI, agentic AI, again face transformer, YouTube channel, again back to the dashboard, certificate, step, markets completed. Okay, so this markets completed, scikit-learn fundamentals. Okay, what it is doing right now, creating a comprehensive course data with module lessons, creating enhanced UI component for better user experience. Now let me create enhanced UI component. First I'll create the course card components. Yeah, please do it. It is generating what it is creating actually. Now let me update the dashboard page to use all these new components. Okay, please do it. Let me update pages on this new component. Excellent. Now let me update global CSS for better. Okay, so it is doing, it is continuously working. I think we have to recreate this project. If it will not work, then I will try to do it again. But I think it will allow us accept all. Okay, so updated code as given by it. Excel. Okay, just accept. There should be an option of accept all, but I don't know where it is. Okay, accept changes. Yes. Yeah, so accept all is there or not, but still it is asking manually. Okay, all the editing done. Let's see the page. Okay, now it's looking great. Okay, still it is checking. So agent is checking right now. Okay, so it is not displaying my channel. Actually, it is giving the journal anyways, but it is displaying now. I will complain why not my YouTube channel? Why others YouTube channel is coming? Anyway, let it complete the task. So it has given my learning dashboard, masterful set supplement with Muhammad Naveed's course. But where is Muhammad Naveed? It is not there. It's making us fool. That's how human interaction is required. All beginner mediate filter it has created. But where is my course? Django with REST API, it is not showing. Okay, it is showing my course. It's not properly exactly. I mean, I can say it has not created the complete end-to-end project. Still, we required manual interaction. That is how we need developer interaction. Okay, that is why we need to fix it manually. Actually, it is still working on it. But yeah, whatever it is created, the interface is really nice. Everything is nice. So login and logout functionality is there or not? It is still working on it, and it will fix the UI as well. Still working on it. Yes, yes. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see now. So it has given like this, but I'm not very much satisfied with this. But anyhow, it is nice. But we have used the limit of this gravity. Okay, so you can guys, you can explore it more. Okay, you can create something more nice things, and you can write in comments like what actually you have built. You can deploy that as well. You can create something for your personal use. Okay, so that's it guys. That is all about this, or like we can say this is all about the Google anti-gravity. Okay, so you can explore it by yourself. I've already shared the documentation with you. Okay, I have already shared the Google, I mean the notes installation guide with you. Okay, you can join this class with this particular uh, class code, and you can access this. And the remaining material is regarding to the full stack data science course. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. I hope you will practice more and more, and you will create such a amazing applications. Alright, so thanks once again for giving your valuable time, all of you.